The last factor that I'd like to mention is the characteristics of the organization. Things like the size of the company can impact the extent to which learning occurs, the effectiveness of specific training programs, as well as the overall strategy of the training and development system. The roles and responsibilities of managers and employees can also play a role. The extent to which top leaders and top managers support training and development, the extent to which employees participate in training development and evaluation can also play a role in the effectiveness of the entire system. The qualities and conditions of different business units and divisions can play a role. Training and development systems are closely tied to other human resource management practices like recruitment and selection. And finally, the existence of unions can play a role in who is invited to training, whether they are compensated for training, and other training-related decisions. Together, all of these different factors shape what any given training and development system looks like. Anytime we try to make a change to a system, we need to understand all of the different components, but also the environment in which that system exists. So, for the future, when analyzing a training program, when trying to make a change to a training system, remember some of these factors and how they might create opportunities or create challenges for you when you try to implement that new program or make that new change.